license borrowing. To do so, first open the license borrowing tool and then enter the name or IP address of the machine where you have hosted the licenses and click refresh. Then all the available licenses will be displayed here on the left hand side. And to borrow a license, first select the license, then define the end date of the borrowing period and then click borrow. The borrowed license will pop up on the right hand side as borrowed, and the maximum borrowing period is 4 weeks. To return a license, simply open the borrowing tool again, click on the product on the right hand side and click the return button. The license now is successfully returned. That's it, the license borrowing tool.